Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Kaushik, Andrologist from Nagercoil. Today, I will give an interesting case study of erectile dysfunction. This is a man who is around 28 years old and he got married 2 years back. Every weekend he will go and meet his wife, but for the past 2 years, he had not even had one successful penetrative sexual activity. So he had tried this Viagra like medicines from outside and he had met 2 to 3 doctors regarding this, and but nothing was much helpful for him. Then at one point of time he came and met us. So what we did is we analyzed his hormonal analysis, basically his testosterone and his estradiol levels, and we found out that his testosterone levels are little in the lower range. And then we did a penile Doppler study which suggested us features suggestive of vascular changes, which is kind of a vasculogenic ED. Then his pulse wave analysis also showed features suggestive of increased arterial stiffness and reduced endothelial function. So what we suggested him is, we suggested him this low intensity extracorporeal shock wave therapy. So we asked him to try his sexual activity during these procedures. We offered him a total of 8 number of sessions and in a period of around 3 weeks. So the first week he was taking around 3 sessions, and the second week 3 sessions, and the last week it was 2 sessions. So during this time we asked him to try his sexual activity. So what happened is, after the first 3 sessions he went and met his wife. That time he was having a better erection, but he was not able to have a penetrative sexual activity. He tried with coconut oil, with all those things, because for his wife also the hymen was intact and it was little painful for her, but there was no successful penetration. So the second week he again came to us and we gave another 3 sessions over a period of this week, and this time he went to his home and he had a successful penetrative sexual activity. And what happened is, his erection was strong enough and he had a penetrative sexual activity, and his wife had severe pain and there was hymenal tear and she started to bleed. So that day they stopped the activity and he came to us on the Monday of that week, and he was very happy. He told, anyway, the first time I had a penetrative sexual activity, but because of the pain we stopped it and there was a bleeding. So and he didn't ejaculate also during that sexual activity, but he was very happy, and his whole way of thinking about himself has changed. What he told us is, no, I'll be able to perform the sexual activity, so all my worries has gone. And when he initially came to us, he was so worried, he was in a very much depressed state, but now he was totally changed. And that week what I suggested is, we will have 2 more sessions and we will finish off the sessions and you go and try the sexual activity this weekend. So that week he has taken 1 more day holiday for him and he went to his hometown, and that time he tried. This time initially he has applied a little lubrication, which is a coconut oil, and he tried, and it was a successful penetrative sexual activity with a successful ejaculation. And in those 3 days they had around tried to 4 to 5 times of sexual activity, which all were successful, and every time he was able to have an ejaculatory experience. And this was the first time for him after his married life, after a period of 2 years. And for his wife also, as she was a virgin, this was the first time this experience for them, and they were very happy. So this is one of our success stories which I would like to share with you. Thank you.